In this video, I'm going to show you how to redact documents very quickly to deal with DSAR requests. So the first thing we need to do is to head to acuityautoredact.com. Once we're on this page, if we haven't already paid for the service, don't worry, you can begin a 14-day free trial where you can redact up to 2 documents. Just click Start your 14-day free trial now. It doesn't require any commitments or a credit card number. Once you're here, you can sign up with this form by putting in your name and email address, or if you want an even quicker solution, you can sign in with your organisation's Google or Microsoft account. I'm going to sign in with my organisation's Google account now, and in just 2 quick clicks, it set me up an account and got me ready to go. Now, in order to add a document to Acuity AutoRedact, we just click Select PDF Files, and then the file that we want to upload on our computer. We can upload hundreds of files here if we want to, and we have no limit in the amount of documents that can be processed in one job. So you can use this to process a DSAR request very quickly. Once we hit Start Processing to begin our redaction, the tool will scan for all personally identifiable information, and by default it will redact it all, leaving it up to us to decide what will not be redacted. Now, it's also searching for all events and incidents that it can find. It's looking to find events and summarise them that we might want to redact. And there we go, it's done it. So, this document's about Liam Walker, so I'm going to tick Liam Walker in the document and unredact him. Everything that's in grey will be redacted from our document, and everything that hasn't got a grey mark around it will be included. If I want to as well, I can search under detected entities for Walker and go, oh, actually, I want Mr. and Mrs. Walker included. So I can make sure that they're included. So instead of going through and checking every page with redaction boxes on every single thing that I want to redact, the tool has made the job much quicker, but I'm still in control. I am still the person making the judgments about what to redact and what not to. If I go down to event redaction, it will also produce an AI summary of all the events mentioned in our documents. If I think, actually, I don't need to talk about the counselling services, I'm going to tick that, and then in our document, every reference to that will be redacted. So I can redact entire events as well as personally identifiable information to make the redaction process meet my exact requirements, but in a lot less time than it would take to do manually. But if you did still want to do some manual changes at the end, you can click Draw Redaction and then redact entire sections manually if there was some bits that you thought, actually, I also want that redacted as well. So you're in complete control, but the AI is there as your assistant to make the job much quicker. Once I'm ready to redact, I have a choice. I can redact in black or white, depending on what my in-house style is. I'm going to stick with the traditional black. And then, as soon as I hit Apply Redactions, it's done. The job has been completed. All the data has been removed from our systems, so that at this point, there is no processing on our behalf. We've done our job, we don't need the documents. If you click Audit Log, it will bring up an audit log of everything that has been redacted, so that for your records, you can keep an account of what was redacted in case it's ever challenged. And if you click Download Redacted PDF, there is a redacted version of that PDF produced, ready for you to include in your final output to the person who has raised the request. And anything under the black mark here has been destroyed. It isn't a matter of us just drawing over the page, we have destroyed that data. So there's no way it can be recovered with advanced tools, by putting it in a word processor, or using a metadata recovery tool. So if you're still redacting manually, no need anymore. Get yourself to acuityautoredact.com, sign up for your free 14-day trial, and see what Acuity can do for you.